a spreadsheet like this. It's called an address library. This is an excellent tool to use if you don't already use it. I know the precinct captains that use this because you know what? They don't call me. And I know the ones who don't use it because they call me. This will help you get a voter to the right precinct if they're not already there. Okay? And I'll first explain it to you. You'll find it in your brown bag, and it'll be in a blue binder like this. And it's broken down by city where you're working in or jurisdiction, one or the other. Easy spreadsheet to read. The first two columns are our house numbers. And they're broken down by all, odd, or even based on what side of the street the voter lives on. And then pre-direction, and then street name, running down the line, street type, city, zip, the precinct that they would vote in. So based on their address, this is the precinct number they would vote at, and this is the place where they would go and the address. Okay? So if I said